Hi, I'm James, and today we'll be talking about virtual production within Unreal Engine. Virtual production is basically just compositing your live action footage which is shot on a green screen background, which you then put into your pre-made 3D scene which is rendered out real time. Some things that we'll be going over through, type of hardware that we use, the software and the necessary plugins that come along with it, and also how to add in your own virtual camera. But to start us off, I'll show you some stuff that we have done here at AMC Studios with virtual production. Now that you've seen a little sneak peek into virtual production in Unreal Engine, we can take a look at the type of equipment that we use here. For instance, we have the Ursa Mini Pro 4.6K G2, which we have hooked up into the Decklink 8K Pro, connected through SDI cables. Another thing that you will definitely want to get is a green screen, which has to be very well lit for a great key later on in Unreal Engine. For tracking data, you will want to get a tracking device. For instance, we use HTC Vive trackers for our tracking data. But other than that, we can just jump right into using the plugins in Unreal and installing them. So right off the bat, we can just enter a blank scene. We'll call this Virtual Prod 101. Create project. Note that at the moment we're using 4.26 version of Unreal Engine. Okay, once we're in the scene, just go into plugins and enter Composure. So this will be the first plugin, and then the next one will be Media Framework. We'll need both Media Framework Utilities and Media I/O Framework. Just go ahead and enable both of those. And because we're using the Decklink 8K Pro, we need to add the Blackmagic Media Player. So once we have all four of those enabled, just hit restart now. Alright, and then that's basically it. Now we'll be able to click on Blackmagic Media Output and Blackmagic Media Source and a few other things. That's it for this video, and in the next one we'll be going over how to extract your Blackmagic camera footage into Unreal Engine and also how to key out the green from your green screen using a Composure material.